Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm taking part in the Using Trash to Create Treasure challenge hosted by Cassie from Coffee with My Sunshine and Julia from the Mug Life DIY. I'll be sure to link the playlist and both of their channels in the description box below. Don't forget to check out everything. And in this time when we are homebound and we're staying at home, we cannot go out and get things. So let's get crafty and use the things that we have at home to make something useful and beautiful to decorate our house and to distract us from this tough time. So without further ado, let's get started. As you saw in the previous clip, this wasn't working as such and therefore I took it out, and the boys have already broken it into parts. But I just realized that if I turn it on, can you see this small motor revolve? So that part actually works. But if I tried to fix it, I couldn't fix it. So instead of fixing it, I'm going to do something else with it. So first, after taking away the connection, I'm removing this light part. Okay. And using a wet wipe, I'm going to wipe this glass clean, both inside and outside. Now that the glass is clean, you can actually see that it's not a straight glass, but it has this curved pattern. Like a wave. Can you see it clearly now? It's got this curved look. It was actually for, this was a picture that was actually inside. This is stable and, this is stable and this keeps revolving. So it looks like the fish is actually moving in the sea. I've got a template cut out to the size that fits inside. I'm going to place it on this A4 printer paper and I'm going to cut out the required measurements. Now that I've cut it out, I'm thinking of doing a galaxy print, and I'm going to use these watercolors, paintbrush and water to do watercolor galaxy print effect on this paper. now that I've done this, I'm going to try to give this the star effect by taking a lot of water, a little white paint, by the way, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for popping in, and please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Hope you enjoy this content. And I think I'm done. You can either leave it plain or you can write a quote on it. I like this phrase, shine like a star. So I'm going to try to write it on this. Please wait for the paint to dry before writing. Alternatively, you can also take a printout first on white computer paper and then do this watercoloring on it. That would also give a better effect. I tried searching for nice quotes, but I couldn't find anything that were free printables that I liked much, and therefore I'm doing this. I think that looks good. Now I'm going to attach this to the front portion. See how you like the placement, and you can secure it with some glue or sellotape, and that's it. My trash to treasure makeover is ready. Alternatively, I would like to spray paint the edges to make it look more finished. Thank you, Cassie and Julia, for this wonderful challenge. Please be sure to check the playlist below for all the other lovely entries. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Stay home and stay safe, people. Bye-bye.